Yo, I'm the yo bro. Better subscribe cause I got good vibes. I do great mocks and I do great tours. Don't forget that I do lots more. Now you know. Whoa, you should be subscribed to the yo bro. That's right, you should be subscribed. Let's hit 130 subs pretty soon, I hope. So please help me out with that. Anyways, we're gonna be doing some Lego Minecraft blocks. What's up? So basically, I made 3 Minecraft blocks. Let's get these people out of the way first. Alright, so my first block was a grass block. And you know, it's pretty common in Minecraft, you know. So you got some like different colorized dirt in here, especially got that grass. Nice pattern up there. It looks like a farm, I guess. You know, you got your dirt pretty much all around though, and you have a couple of stones thrown in there. So I built it with like a 4x4 plate. And the fun thing about all these blocks is they are all 4x4 tiles, like in perfect cube. So I can do this, and it will always be the same measurement. So yeah, there's that. Let's move on. Then I made a diamond ore one. It doesn't look, I have to admit, the best, but took me so long trying to figure out the design of the diamond ore. Just everything wasn't really working out, so I just settled on this design. So of course you got your like white diamonds, your blue diamonds, your other color blue diamonds, and then you got your nice patterned stone there. Finally, I was trying to find something to build a third block with, and you know, I thought and built until I came across making bedrock. It was the easiest to build out of the 3, and it looks, I think, the best out of the 3. You got, you know, some gray, some black, some darker gray, and just, you splash it around like I did, and you get some nice bedrock. I'll be putting a stop motion tutorial after, so, stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it. Please remember to click that subscribe button. And see you guys. Goodbye for now.